Now let's understand left justify method. Syntax for left justify is syntax string dot ljust and then length comma character. Let's see example. Taking text variable equal to welcome, and then I am taking another variable text dot ljust. I have to define character length, and then I have to print x, and then whatever string we want to print with this text to our channel. Shift enter. So what it is doing, it is taken character length 20 and it is left align this welcome what we have assigned in text. So left justify is assigning text to left. Let's see another example. I am copying this, and if I define here hash, this character in our syntax, what we have defined, this is length and character. So I am defining character hash. So what it will print, it is fill the gap with this character that we have defined, and default it is space. Like if we have not given this in above example, so it is taking space. So by default it is taking space. So this is our ljust method.